Hey, it's Andreas, and let's talk about Porch Group. Now, a big thank you to the community for suggesting me to do analysis on this company in comments on previous videos. And let me just give you an update on the recent earnings, and then I will talk a bit more about the company and the predictions that I see for the future in this case. All right, so just the cliff notes here. The big news from the earnings report was the growth in revenue. Now, revenue went from 51 million to 70 million, and this represents an increase in 37.8% comparing quarter to quarter. And this is only about the $300 million company. It's been slashed in terms of stock price, so the market cap is really small now. We've seen insider buying from the CEO Matt Ehrlichman, and we can also see that share dilution is not a big thing for this company when we look at growth and we look at share dilution. This is very reasonable, calculating in stock-based compensation into this whole increase in the amount of shares outstanding. Now, in the past, we have seen analysts predict that Porch Group will make 16 cents a share in 2025. If we slap a price to earnings ratio of 20 onto this, which I did in the past, which was super conservative, that would give $3 something in share price. Now, this company has shown very fast growth, and that warrants a higher price to earnings ratio. We can see that right now, in terms of price to sales, the company is indeed very cheap if we look at this valuation. And also, when you look at the graph of the share price, we can see that before this whole change in the macroeconomic environment, this stock was trading a bit above $10 a share. And then once all this worry hit the market, stock price fell off a cliff. And I started buying at around $2, bought some more at $1.50. Now that it's at about $3, I just bought another 500 shares, because you should water the plant that's showing great growth and not hold back on the nutritions. And this company has shown a lot of signs of health, and that's giving me confidence in the future. I believe that the risk to reward ratio for this company is beneficial to my risk profile, and I feel comfortable putting more money into this with a time horizon of at least until 2025, and predicting that between 2025 and 2030, this is a small cap, right? I believe that a large company will make a tender offer on this company to make an acquisition. So I think that the faith of this company is that it will be bought out, and that will be beneficial to shareholders. We will see some above market returns in the near and midterm, I believe. And then in the mid to long term, we will receive this tender offer at the standard is 20% above market price. That's common in investment banking. So I believe that this will be the future of this company and what we as shareholders can expect. So once again, a big thank you to the community for suggesting me doing an analysis on this company, finding different investment opportunities and gems like this one was one of the things I hoped for when I started this YouTube channel. And here, about 3 years later, I'm happy to see that things are starting to bear fruit, and that this opportunity was presented to me, and I was able to make a quick doubling of some money in this case. Alright, that's been it for this video, and as always, I hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now, bye bye.